I always look forward to these stakeholders meetings. It's an opportunity for us to share what's been happening, but then also to hear back from you, stakeholders, and Diversion First. It is a great program, something that we're really very proud of. It has been a sea change in how we treat individuals who have mental illness.
You know, before this program started, if you did not have financial means, you may end up in jail for up to 4 months awaiting your trial because you couldn't post bond. And for everyone else, that's about a $25,000 tab to pay for 4 months of jail for somebody. And for a tenth of that cost, we can have somebody get the outpatient treatment that they need.
During my days as a young deputy sheriff and walking the hallways of the adult detention center, I saw firsthand, day in and day out, what damage was done to folks that truly needed mental health treatment. And when it becomes too easy to bring someone to jail, we know we have a problem. So I am elated that in 2 short years we have come incredibly far. And certainly we have folks in the jail that are not eligible for diversion. But that doesn't mean that we stop there. What it means is that with the third part of the sequential intercept model, we continue to work very hard with our partners from the CSB, from court services, of course, our judges who are here this evening, our magistrates, and we try to find an alternative to get folks the treatment they need through supervised release. So I'm just proud to be a part of something that's certainly bigger than me. It's bigger than all of us, and again, it's about human capital, and I'm not sure how you can put a price on human capital, but at the end of the day, we're doing our very best, and I look forward to this continuing, and again, as we've said many times, being the role model, not only for the Commonwealth, but also for the United States.